Hello, this is Henry. I'm at the lake today. Nice day to be out. This is my first day to bring up my new GoPro 10 with the wrist remote control. Yep, got the first fish of the day. Nice, good-looking bass. Nice, good-looking bass. Thank you. I caught something. Whoa, bass. Wow, do you see that? A musket was following this. What do I have here? All right. A bass full of weed cover. I was catching a bass and a muskie was following this bass that I caught. All right, bass out of the weed line, hooked at this side of the mouth here. Thank you, sir, for another showing up as my second guest of the day. See you soon. This is a 8-piece plug that swims really nicely in the water. Very natural. Nice bass. Nice bass. A good fighter. Good fighter. Not a bad size. Come here, bass. Come here, bass. Show yourself. Okay. All right. This is what I'm talking about. Nice bass. And the side of the lips. Very sensitive bite. I tried for the first time with the GoPro Black 10 with the wrist control that I can easily access to video recording that I like it a lot.